Welcome to watch Camtasia video tutorial. Module 1. Record audio with Camtasia. Open your Camtasia. If the left side toolbar is folded, then click on More and then select Voice Narration, or just select in the list. And then click on the drop-down list. Select Blue Snowball Microphone, because the microphone that I'm using now is a snowball. It depends on what microphone you plug in your computer for the recording. And then click on Start Voice Recording. So if you are not pleased with the recording you just recorded, you can click on Cancel and then Delete or Restart. Or if you just like what you just recorded, you want to save it, and then you just hit Stop button. Save your recording. After it finished saved, it will be automatically imported to your project. Module 2. Edit your audio recording. Play your audio recording, select your audio recording. Stop at where you want to cut. Click on Split on the toolbar above track panel. Then your soundtrack will be split to 2 parts. Keep playing your audio recording. Repeat the last step, then you can just select the middle part that you want to dispose. Hit backspace on your keyboard. Don't forget to drag the third part until it matches the tail of the first part. Module 3. Adjust your soundtrack's volume. Select your soundtrack. Move your mouse inside the soundtrack. You will see there is a green line, so you just kind of drag the green line up and down to adjust the volume, or also you can use the volume monitor on the right hand. Module 4. Export your audio. Click on Share, Export Audio Only, and then save your audio recording. Module 5. Add video to your Camtasia project. Click on Library, Soundtrack, double-click on the music to preview it. If you like it, just select it and drop to where you want it in your track panel. Module 6. Add elements to your video. Here the elements can be an intro, like the one that you are watching now. Click on Library, select Intros, select the one that you like. Just drag and drop to where you want it to be in the track panel. Double-click on the text part to update the text. Drag it on the canvas to relocate the element. Also, you can use the State Properties monitor on the right hand to change like logo, and also you can use the monitor to update text part too. Module 7. Add instructions to your video. Click on Annotations. Just select the one you like and drag and drop to the track panel where you want it to be. You can adjust the size and the position in the canvas. There are many options for you in annotations, such as blur, highlight, sketch motions, show your keyboard activity, and text box text. Module 8. Add pictures to your video to create a photo slide video. Locate the picture that you want to add. Just drag and drop to the track panel. You can adjust the period of the photo by dragging the left and the right side of the container. Here we go. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please write below to let me know. Thank you.